Hello, hello. Happy Sunday. All right, today, guys, good stuff. My van, see all those bags there? Boxes here, box there. Van is full. This is all just from one elementary school. They have 2 dumpsters, and it is one of my go-to reliable places. People that are cleaning out stuff, apartment evictions, all kinds of different things like that, spring cleaning, whatever. You're gonna find it there. Today was awesome. So where should we start? Where should we start? Well, this box. This box? All right, Lulu says this box. So for starters, okay, this, I've talked about consumerism and consumer waste and how it just drives me absolutely insane. Well, here you go. Prime example, whole bunch of brand new rolls of toilet paper. Sick. People, that's horrible. And I'm guessing it was the school that threw these out, and there was a gigantic box of them, but I could not get to all of them. And I even, well, no, it wasn't that I couldn't get to all of them. It's that some were ruined because it rained. You'll see that a lot of these boxes are like kind of moist, wet. So yeah, it rained, which unfortunately ruined about 10 of the toilet paper rolls, but I grabbed all the ones that were not ruined. So I had to go hardcore today. I had to get in the bin, and it was awesome. What, Lulu?
It's a Mother's Day thing, and it says, "Don't throw away."
Don't throw away? Yeah, well, they did. Yeah, so I got in there today, and I haven't done that in a while, but it was necessary in order to get all the toilet paper and several other treasures. And you know what? It felt pretty darn good. All right, so toilet paper galore. Let's see. We've got some nice belts, leather belts. Okay, this is funny. It's a Pepsi glass jar, but I don't know what they did to it. But it's pretty awesome. Look at that sucker. All right, let's see what we got here. Got a shirt. That's nice. Oh, barbell. That's cool.
What's a barbell?
Yep, it's for lifting weights. A little clock.
Yeah.
Cool. This is awesome. Whole pack of pencils. Probably donate that to one of my kids' teachers. Okay.
Not my teacher.
We got this little,
Fanny pack.
it's not a fanny pack, it's like a camera bag. Nice little camera bag. Good condition. Beautiful. All right, watch out, Lou. M&M's World, Las Vegas, been there. Fun stuff. Okay, what do we got here? Lou, hold the camera, will you, babe? Let's see what we got in here.
I'm not very good at holding it.
You'll do fine. Oh, all right. They're a lot like my kids. This is a bag full of rocks. So, awesome. You gotta love that. Why don't you open that up, Lou? Let's see what's in there. All right, watch out, baby. All right. Random fabric. A little light.
This bag is like the Pirates of the Caribbean bag. You know where Jack Sparrow...
Laptop case thingy.
More cool rocks.
Cool rocks, she says. Oh, yeah, some pretty polished rocks. Fun. All right. College algebra. Ugh. Bag. All right, some projects. Cool. Here we go. What is this?
Can't really see.
Hold on, babes. Hold on. I told the kids when I got home, I said there's gonna be a lot of stuff you're gonna want, but just chill because we're not making any decisions right away, especially when I don't know what the heck stuff is. I am definitely behind the times when it comes to electronics. Cute little leather purse. That's fun. All right, guys, so this I've already looked at because this is what motivated me to grab everything from the bins. I am not kidding, guys. Here we go. People are ridiculous, okay? I mean, if you haven't realized that yet, now's the time, okay? Open your eyes. People are ridiculous. This world we live in, or at least our country. People are insane. I grabbed this. I'm like, yeah, it's just going to be a box, right? There's not going to be anything in it, but shoot, I'll look anyway, right?
Because of the violin.
Because of the violin, yeah. Look at that, guys. I'm not kidding, right? All right. Seriously. People. Oh, people. Why? Anyway, awesome. Super awesome. For sure I'll sell it. All right. I mean, it's not, you know, it's not your smartphone or anything like that, but hey, nice little backup phone. We're not with T-Mobile anymore. Otherwise, I'd keep it as a backup for us. All right. Moving right along. But seriously, how cool is that? Ugh, box. All right. I think that's it for this box. All right.
Wait, what's that big rip?
Oh, that's for like a laptop. Okay, moving right along. Move some of this stuff over here. All right, Lulu, I want you here with me, but you got to watch out, okay? We're fast and furious going through this because there is a lot of stuff. All right. I have not looked in this box. Like I said, once I found that cell phone, I'm like, forget it. I'm grabbing everything. What does that? Yeah, I don't know what that thing is, but we'll figure it out. I'm sure one of you that's watching knows and is like, are you serious? You don't know what that is? All right. Let's see. We got nice, really long stocking. Big stocking. Fun. This is kind of cool. Little suitcase. For sure this was with some toys or something. All right. We've got a bunch of t-shirts. Just need to wash those up. This is the way I get a lot of the kids' jammy shirts.
Those are the art ones.
More of the art ones from school? Cool, cool. Okay.
School, cool.
Oh, fun little hat. A nice little hat. Wash that up. Okay. Bunch of binders. Binders. I find so many binders every summer. Binders, binders, binders. All right, hold up. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way. We'll be right back. All right, so I got all that toilet paper together in a box. It is this whole box full of toilet paper. All right, and I brought out a couple of clear totes. I got a whole bunch of these on a good deal at the store the other day. They were less than $9 each, which for the locking kind, pretty awesome deal. Anyway, so what I'm gonna do, try and be a little more organized this time. When I find good stuff, it's gonna go right into these bins. This should work out pretty good. All right, what else we got? The Outlaws of Mesquite, Louis L'Amour. We got some fun sunglasses, right? We got another little wallet. Lulu, see what's in there?
Money.
Okay. More of these fun. Oh, except they drew all over them. Bummer. All right, we got Definitely Dead. Okay, a Southern vampire novel. Interesting. All right. Flag. Some craft projects. Whole bunch of bookmarks. I have a collection of bookmarks like that. What else?
You do?
Yeah, beach ball.
Nothing in here.
No idea.
There's nothing in here.
Alright. Bunch of sock puppets. Interesting. Random. Looks like a bunch of rocks. Oh, look at this! Open this up, Lou. Open this up. Open that up. Let's see this. Look at this here, guys. So this girl collected rocks, obviously. But I know I saw, I wasn't imagining. Where did I see it? There it is.
What is that?
That's iron pyrite. Fool's gold. Look at those, they're gorgeous. You gotta love that.
What if it was real gold?
Nah, that's fool's gold. But it's beautiful anyway. That is delightful. Love it. Love it. All right, what else? Oh, another pretty. Disinfect that. You got a really fun hair clip. Yeah, that's beautiful. Oh, Lulu. All right, some broken stuff. Oh, jar. Lulu, open that up for me. Another wallet. Lots of wallets. Girl liked wallets. All right.
Well, maybe she was rich.
Oh, we got a box. we got a box. Let's see. Oh, okay. A little Hannah Montana
I bet I could open that
diary. All right, we got some tape. Awesome. We got Halloween stickers. Summer days. Oh, bunch of cardstock. That's nice. Okay, Christmas stickers. So this is all craft stuff. And then, what do we got here? Some sticky notes, bunch of cards, envelopes, more cards. Let's see if these are blank. Yep, love it. I love having these kind of cards. Just writing your thank you notes and whatnot. Let's see. All right, so that's some good stuff. Yeah, I love craft stuff. All right, yeah, a bunch of cards. All right. Oh, these are for braces. Ugh. Good old days. Ugh. Your elastics for your braces. All right, pretty little bag. CD, Selena Gomez. Ugh. All right, we got a flute. That's pretty awesome. Disinfect that. Kids will have fun. I'll end up going crazy and getting rid of it. Super. All right, we got a hairband thing. Okay, I think that's it for this one. Moving right along. I was loading this stuff up. Just found an arrowhead. So that's cool. That's pretty fun.
I found one once.
Yeah. So we'll put all these fun little rocks together. That's pretty. That was really pretty. A little cheetah rock.
Hi, Mommy.
You're amazing. All right. Okay. Let's go to the other side.